likes things that move.
He sounds like he has a cough.
Lemon his throat.
Ew.
That's all right.
No, he's about to get sick.
There goes.
Here you go.
You're messing up my playtime, Mom. How dare you? Look, Mommy.
Puss.
I'm busy. Not looking. I'm busy. He likes that thing that goes around best.
Apparently. He does. He sits so straight, though, for a baby.
I think that's what he likes. He can sit up in it. If I could get back a little ways, I could get the picture. I could get the fireplace in so we know it's Christmas. No, we don't got dead batteries already, do we? Alrighty. Jeez. Nothing. I'm out of batteries already.